Hello, my dear fellow connections and followers. Now I'm here to present my MERN full stack web application named Doctor Appointment Booking System. Now at the top in the navigation bar you can see user profile icon at the right side. In the left side you can see the application logo, and finally in the middle there is home page, doctor's page, about page and contact page. Firstly, let me explain about home page. Here we have big banner with text, image and button. When I click this button, it scroll down to the find by specialty. Here it allows you to find the doctors based on the specialty. Okay, let me assume that I need the doctor who is a general physician. Then I just have to click the respective icon. That's it. Then it redirects us to the doctor's page, and it also filters only general physicians. Yeah, it's working good. Then what if I need neurologist? Simple. We just have to click neurologist icon. That's it. We can easily find neurologist as like we have obtained before. If we come below to that, there is a section named top doctors to book, where you can find the top doctors in all departments. This is how the appearance of this section and the hovering effect of button will look like. Let me say one more thing, that is, if you click any doctor image, then it will show you the details of them. Here is our core concept of project, that is booking appointment. We will see this deeply in a minute, so stay tuned with me. And let me check the same thing for one more profile. Yeah, it's working same as previous. Alright, let me go to the another feature of this project, that is when we scroll down, again one more banner with one button named create account. Okay, let me click this button. Yeah, it will take us to the create account page, where you have to give your full name, email ID and password. And I have to say this, in this video I'm covering only front-end part, but don't worry, I'm currently working on backend. Alright, let's come to here. If you already have an account, then click login here. Now it will take us to the login page, where we just have to put our email ID and password, because we have already signed in. That's why. So this is how the create account and the login page will look like. Now we can move on to the footer of this page. As it named footer, it's gonna be there for most of the pages in this project. Basically, I have separated the footer as 3 parts, and below to that there is a copyright sentence. That's all in the home page. Now we can move on to the all doctors page. Here you can find all the doctors who are in our doctor list in all specialty. And as I said before, in this page also we have footer. Now let's move on to the special feature of this page, that is filtering. According to your need, we can get only the doctors who are present in needed specialty. Let's say I need the doctor who are in the gynecologist. So I just have to click that, then you can see the doctors on that particular specialty only. What if I need pediatricians? Don't worry, just select it, then you will get them only. Do the same thing when you need the dermatologist. On that list, if I wanna book the doctor named Sara Patel means, then I just have to click his profile card. Then you will get a lot of informations about them, like his photo, name, degree, experience, about and appointment fees also. Below to that you can see the booking slots. Over there you can ask one question, that is why that first slot is being empty, because the slots are starting from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8:30 till the night, and now I'm recording this video in Saturday 10:30 at night. That's why slots are not available, so it's being empty. After building our backend, we can select the day and time from 10 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Then by clicking book an appointment button, we can confirm our appointment. Now why don't we check the same thing for general physician? Let's choose one profile, then we will get all of their informations. If we need that doctor help, then we can book their appointment. And in this page, we have one more section named Top Doctors to Book, where you can get the recommendation of doctors with the same specialty. Alright, this is all in the doctors and appointment page. Now we can move on to the next page, that is about page. In this page there are three sections. Firstly, there is some information about Prescripto. Then why choose Prescripto section, which is separated into three parts. Those are efficiency, convenience and personalization. Finally, there is a footer. Now we can move on to the next page, that is context page. It contains address of Prescripto and job vacancies in Prescripto. Below to that you can see a button named Explore Jobs with good looking hovering effect. Now we can move on to the profile icon. If you hover over on that, you can see that my profile option. When you click that, we can see our profile informations. There are profile picture, name, and in contact information there are email ID, phone number and address. Similarly, we have one more section named basic information. On that you can see gender and birthday. Below to that you can see the edit button. By using that we can edit all informations. After editing we should click save information button for saving information. Here only one information won't change, that is email ID. That's it. Now we can move on to my appointments option. Here you can see all appointments which you have booked. As usual, at the end footer is there. For every appointment there is some basic informations about doctor, like their name, specialty, address, and it also contains the date and time of when that appointment is booked. And at the right side of every appointment there are two buttons named pay online for sending money and cancel appointment button for cancelling the appointment. This is all in the appointments page. If we click that log out option, then we will get logged out from this account. If I click this button, it asks me to create an account. If I already have an account, then click login here for login into your account. That's all in the front end of my project. Now we can see the mobile view of this project, where only the navigation menu will be added. Otherwise everything is same. Now we can move on to the coding part, where you can see the coding files for our MERN full stack project.